I see the light in my mother's smile, the strength in my father's hands, the warmth that never fades, like footprints in the sand. My partner's laugh is my saving grace, a melody that fills the air through the storms and silent nights. I know you're always there. And when the days feel long, we lift each other high. In every whispered prayer, in every lullaby, this is the circle of love. It holds us all, from cradle to stars. No one can fall. With family, with friends, we rise above, bound by the power of endless love. My friends are fire in the midnight hour. They dance beside my doubt, with every joke and sacred truth